Success is not a destination, it's a personal journey. These words guided Leadership Management International's founder, Paul J. Meyer. From its humble beginnings to the world's innovative leader in organizational leadership development, serving millions of individuals around the globe.
LMI was founded in 1966 by Paul J. Meyer. And so we've now celebrated over 50 years in the leadership development industry. We're now operating in over 80 countries around the world, and our process and programs are available in 27 different languages. So we have an incredible reach and are impacting just millions of people around the world through our process.
Organizations continue to change and evolve at a rapid pace through increased global competition, innovation, communication, and technologies. For these organizations to succeed in the 21st century, they must develop leaders. Leadership is no longer a position or a title, but rather a process that every person at every level must practice.
The world has changed dramatically over the last 100 years, and we've moved from an agricultural economy to a manufacturing economy to now an information and service economy. And as you do that, the contribution of people has become enormous. To get the most out of that resource, leadership is critical, because leadership is what creates the engagement in people, that creates the motivation, that creates the desire, that creates the productivity. So the reason why leadership is so much more in demand is because we're trying to get more and more out of people, and consequently we need more leaders to engage those people to do that.
LMI's mission is to develop leaders and organizations to their full potential. Yet leadership development is not an event, a project, or a program. Truly effective leadership development is a continuous, ongoing process.
Many people in business have obviously tried different things to develop their leadership, but they find it's not really working. And what we do is different. We don't just give you a bunch of information and say, okay, good luck with it. We actually have boiled leadership down to the real fundamental, the real essence, the real principles of what makes leaders effective. And then we have a process on how to really master those principles, really internalize them so that they become yours, they become actually part of you.
The message is clear. To compete in today's fast-paced global market, companies must implement dramatic changes in how it leads its most valued asset, its people.
I mean, over 50 years, 2 million participants have gone through our process and gotten results. So we really know what works. We really know what, and this is in 80 countries around the world. So it works from culture to culture to organization to organization. It's not just a unique thing for this type of organization or that type of culture. So these are universal principles that work everywhere and for everyone that we've distilled down and really allows people to focus on the core of what makes leaders effective and what makes them better in working with their people and building those teams and building that teamwork.
Leadership Management International can help bridge the gap between an organization's potential and performance in order to maximize overall results. Your success is our ultimate goal.